This video is to show you how you could find other titles in our catalog that might be of interest to you. First, you'll want to search our catalog for a title that you've read recently and that you enjoyed. So go ahead and put in a title and search for it, and that should bring back some results. Go through the results and you find the title that you were looking for, and if you click the title of the book, then that will open up the detailed record on that title. So you'll see things like the call number, where that is located, and also the status of that title. If you scroll down, then you'll start to see things like the series information, if it is part of a series, where you'll see the title, and then other books that come before and after it. And then beyond that, you'll see similar titles to that book, also similar authors, and then if it is a series, you'll find series that are similar to that series. If you click on one of those, then you'll get to see why that title was selected as a read-alike, and then an option to find it in the catalog. Click that, and that will bring up that title in the catalog where you can place it on hold, and then we'll pull it for you and you can pick it up at the drive-thru or the front desk. If you have any questions, give us a call at 740-965-3901 or email us at ask@yourcl.org.